Welcome back, design lovers. Today we are diving into a truly spectacular plan that perfectly blends the rustic charm of a barndominium with sophisticated modern farmhouse elegance. We are analyzing 2,054 square feet of incredibly well-designed living space, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a massive 2-car garage with a bonus workshop. The real showstoppers here are the incredible wraparound porch and the soaring ceilings inside. If you love what you see as we explore these designs, make sure to check the link in the description below for full building details and purchasing options. Let's start by exploring the main level floor plan, which is the heart of this home's functional design. The first thing that grabs your attention is that massive wraparound covered porch. Imagine the outdoor living possibilities here, whether you're building on a large lot in Texas or nestled in the trees of Vermont. It's perfect for year-round enjoyment. Stepping inside through the entry, you're immediately greeted by the expansive great room, boasting a dramatic 20-foot vaulted ceiling and a central fireplace. This open concept flow moves effortlessly into the dining area and a chef-inspired kitchen, complete with a large island and a hidden butler's walk-in pantry, a total dream for entertaining. Tucked away for maximum privacy on the right side of this level is the luxurious owner's suite, featuring its own 17-foot vaulted ceiling, a spa-like bath, and a huge walk-in closet. And for the hobbyist, look at that garage layout. It's expansive, with high ceilings and a dedicated workshop space right off the laundry room, perfect for weekend projects. Moving our analysis to the second floor, you can see how this plan intelligently maximizes volume and privacy. The staircase leads up from the great room, likely offering a stunning overlook down into that 2-story living space below. Up here, we find the secondary sleeping quarters. There are 2 generously sized bedrooms, and a great feature is that both of them also have charming 12-foot vaulted ceilings, making the rooms feel significantly bigger and airier. They share a highly functional pass-through Jack and Jill bathroom. This layout is fantastic for families needing separation between parents and kids, or for creating a private guest retreat level distinct from the main living areas downstairs. Now, let's look at these exterior design concepts. These images really highlight the versatility and striking curb appeal of this modern barndominium style. You can see how stunning the architecture looks, featuring the signature durable metal roofing, paired with rustic stone veneer on the massive chimney and foundation elements. The prominent heavy timber framing on that expansive wraparound porch adds so much character and warmth, really grounding the house. Whether finished in a classic white board and batten, a moody dark gray, or even warm natural wood siding, the architectural balance of the dormers and cupolas creates a look that fits perfectly in a rural setting, a mountainside lot, or spacious suburban acreage across the U.S. While analyzing this plan, several key lifestyle strengths stand out. The incredible wraparound porch is a massive benefit, essentially doubling your living space in good weather. The dramatic volume of the 2-story great room makes a moderate square footage feel incredibly grand and luxurious. We also love the practicality of the dedicated workshop space in the garage and the convenience of the main floor owner suite. If we had to note a minor consideration, some might prefer separate baths upstairs rather than the shared Jack and Jill layout, but it is a very efficient use of space. Overall, the functional flow and wow factor here are exceptional. This modern farmhouse barndominium really delivers on both style and substance. It's a perfect blend of rugged durability and refined, comfortable living, making it an ideal dream home candidate for so many families. Remember to explore the full specifications, see more detailed imagery, and find out how you can purchase these plans to build this exact home. You must visit the link provided right down below in the video description or comments. Thanks for watching,